Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will show you how you can create an amazing website for your business using Hostinger's website builder. First thing you have to do is purchase your hosting from Hostinger. Please check the link in the description. By using that, you will also support the channel and get access to exclusive coupon code only offered to my viewers. Then scroll down and select a plan. I would suggest you to go with the business plan and make sure you scroll down and check Hostinger website builder features are included in this plan. Click on choose plan, and in the duration, I would suggest you to select minimum 12 months plan, because with this you will get a free domain which you will not get otherwise. Then in coupon code, you will get a coupon code from the description. You can apply that here and you will get even more discount than the standard discount. After that, you have to sign up using your email address and password. It's a very simple process, so I will not waste your time showing you that again. After completing the payment, you will be redirected to this page. This is the onboarding process of Hostinger. Here you have to select create a website, click on next, then select Hostinger website builder here. Click on next, and on this page, for now we will get started with a temporary domain. We can connect our main domain later after creating the website. Click on use temporary domain. Now you have two options to create your website. First option is to use the AI, or second option is to use the pre-made templates. Today we are going to use the AI feature. First you have to enter your brand name, then you have to provide Hostinger AI a description of the type of website you want to create and some more information about your business. So the better description you provide, the better website you will get. To make your work easy, I have experimented and created a sample template that you can get from my website smarthelpkites.com. The link to it will be available in the description and it's completely free. I have already created a template that I'm going to use for this tutorial. So I will simply just copy and paste it there. And here, if I scroll down, you can also see a sample template. Here you can replace information with your business and your business description and all the other details. And then you can quickly create your website with the AI website builder. And it's very important to remember that there is a restriction of 700 words for this description. So make sure that you do not create very long description for your website. And there is a lot of information that is optional, so you can also skip that. Then click on create a website, and within few seconds our website will be ready. Now you can see our website is ready. So you can scroll down and preview your website. So it looks okayish. You can also check the pages that it has created. So it looks good. It could have been better. And if you do not like the website that has been created, you can click on create again here. Then change the description, modify it according to your requirements, and then click on create website. You can try it multiple times till you get a website that you like. And if you're not able to get the perfect website with the AI builder, do not worry. You can use the AI only to create a base for the website, and then you can edit things later. So I will close this, then click on continue. Now let's start editing our website. Let's first start with the header area here. This is the header area which is highlighted by this blue outline. This header area will be visible across all pages of our website and it will be fixed. So click on edit header here. Here we have a lot of different options. So we can change the design of the header by simply clicking here, and then it will change the design. Then you can go to elements. You can enable social icons. You can enable a call to action button here. You can also upload your logo here. To do that, click on replace image. Then you can upload your logo from here. I think I like this style. Our logo will be at center here. Then there's the navigation bar, social icons, and a CTA. Close this and it will automatically save, or you can also manually save it. You can see here the auto save option is on, so it will automatically save and we do not have to do anything. Now let's change this next section. If you want to change this text here, simply select it and then you can click on edit text and you can start typing or explore all these options. You can change the font here, font size, you can make it bold, italic, and you can also link it. Okay. Similarly, if you want to replace this image, select it, then click on edit section. Then you will see this option. You can see currently image is selected here. We can select a video. We can click on replace video. For example, let's search for something called yoga. I will select this video here, click on select item, and we have replaced the image here with a video. Similarly, if you want to use an image, you can go to image, click on replace image, and then you can upload your image, and that's it. Here you also have this fixed background option. Currently it is on. So if I scroll here, you can see the video remains fixed and all the rest of the page looks like it's moving. If I turn it off, then you can see it looks different. So it looks better with the fixed background. So I will keep it as it is. Close this option. And similarly, I can select this edit button here and then edit its content. I can link it to a different page. I can change its style. I can change this button color here. But I suggest you to try a site-wide option to change the color, which I will show you later. If you want to change color only of a specific button, then you can use this option. Now next step is to add element. Click here, then you can select an item here. For example, if I want to add a button here, I can simply drag and drop it here. Okay, then again I can just simply drag and place it anywhere I want. You can also make it big here. Click on edit button and then you will have all the options related to this button here. Click close. Similarly, if I want to add a text element, I can do that. So you can simply drag and drop it here. And you can again drag and drop it anywhere you want. Click on edit text. Then you can change the style. If you want it to be heading, then you can select the heading option. If you want it to be a paragraph, then you can do that. And if you want to drag these buttons down, you can also do that. Just select it, then go to this option, a drop down icon here, then drag it down. In elements, there are various other options available. For example, image, video, gallery, Instagram feed. If I show you Instagram feed, I drag and drop it here, you can see I can use this, but it doesn't look nice. So what we can do is delete it. To reduce the height of this section, I can simply drag it up here. Now to add an Instagram feed, I will use this option of add section. Click on add section here. Then you will see there are a lot of pre-made templates for any type of section you want to add. There's a main section about services, product categories, and there is a section for Instagram feed. And in Instagram feed also there are multiple options. So I will select this one. And it looks much more clean and organized. If you want to add your Instagram handle here, just go to select this option, go to edit feed, then you can connect your Instagram and then it will directly pull all the images from your Instagram feed. So this is how you can edit all content on your website. Now if I scroll down, you can see there is a form here. I can select it, I can click on edit form, then you can change the email and you can also see the form submissions. Okay, you can add more fields here. If you want to add a field for short answer, something like that, then you can do that. You can also drag and make it change the position of the question. And this is the footer area, same like header, it will be same across your website. So if you want to edit it, select it, then click on edit section and then you will have all the available options. And you can also edit the content of this footer area here. You can also add more elements to it. For example, I want to add a button here. I can do that. Now let's learn how to add a new page. Go to pages and navigation. Click here, go to add a page. Then you will see the pre-made templates. So if you want to add a services page or projects page, then you can select that. If you want to add privacy policy for terms and conditions, you can also do that. So let's add a services page here. I will just select this and it will automatically create a new service page. First I have to select a name for this page, then a page URL, The default options looks good. So I'll click on save, and then I can close this and edit my page as I want. Now let's again go back to the pages and navigation section here. You can see here, from here we can manage the navigation here. If I want to move it, I can drag it up and it will change the navigation here. And for example, I can also add a new drop down. For example, I will add a new drop down called terms, and under this I can add multiple terms and condition, privacy policy, and all those pages. Let's click on add page here, go to privacy policy. I will add this, then click on save, and I will drag it here. Now you can see the privacy policy page is under the terms drop down. Similarly, I can create the about page and refund policy page and all that page and place them under this terms page. You can also hide some pages from the navigation if you do not want. Again, go back here, then click on this three dots. Then you can use this option of hide from navigation. Now if you want to change the style of any button or the fonts here or the colors, then you can use this website style option here. You can see here, these are the colors that have been used on our website. You can go to fonts here. You can change the fonts that are used for paragraphs. You can also change the button style here and animation. Any changes you apply here will be applied across the website. Now make sure that you select this mobile icon and see how your website looks on mobile. Then you can also change or edit the view. If anything is getting cropped out or it is not looking good on mobile, then you can edit it. If you want to remove some section from the mobile version, you can also do that. If I select this section here and then click on this hide option, then I can select if I want to hide it from mobile and only show it on desktop, or I can also hide it from desktop and then only show it on mobile version. You can also use this auto fix layout option, and Hostinger will automatically fix the layout for your mobile version. After finishing your basic settings, please verify again that all the pages are looking good on every version, on both desktop and mobile version. After that, you have to click on connect domain. If it is not saved already, click on save and save all the changes. Then click on connect domain. Then search for the domain you want. I would suggest you to use a .com extension. You can also use any other type of extension. And if you have purchased a 12 months plus hosting, then you will have a free domain which you can claim here now. I will select this free domain here, then click on next, and you can see domain added to our website. Click on continue, click on go live here, and that's it. Your website is live. Now you can see our website has our own domain name and everything is working. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. I will try to help you out. And if you have any feedback, please post that also. I will try to improve my video. So that's it for this video. I will see you next time.